Hey y'all, welcome back to another lounge review. Today we're in Crete, Greece at the Heraklion International Airport, and we're checking out another Goldair Handling Business Lounge. Once again, I gained access to this lounge using my priority pass that came with my American Express credit card. This lounge may be in fact the smallest lounge in the world. I'm not even joking on this one. I don't believe the lounge is more than 1,000 square feet, but it's really nice and modern and stylish, especially considering the airport it's at. Here are some of the lounge amenities. It's air conditioned, they have an alcoholic bar, there's a fax machine, they have internet, they have light refreshments, TV, telephone, and Wi-Fi. Once inside the lounge, everything inside is complimentary. Now let's go look and see what their light refreshments and bar looks like. My final thoughts on this lounge is it's pretty cool. It's a really small lounge, but it's also in a really small airport. And when we were coming through to the lounge, the airport food was pricey. So having access to this little getaway was kind of nice. And they had cool little refreshments, like a little salad, little things to bite on. And at the end, if they have a Campari, I'm always down. One of my favorite drinks ever. So yeah, if you're ever in this area, come check out this small, cute little lounge, and I hope you enjoy it. Till next time, y'all.